आय लिगांत सोमारा राती पयलो पॉइंट जोडिल्ल्यान चर्चिल ब्रदर्साचो कोच आल्फ्रेड फर्नांडीस उमेदीन जाला। गोल मारपी नवो प्लेयर मोका कोफीची ताणें तोखणाय केली। दुसरे वटेन दोन महत्वाचे पॉइंट वगडायले म्हूण ईस्ट बंगालचो कोच खालीद जमील शॉकात जाला।
After 5 matches, the points are on the table, and if not one, it would have come out with 3 points. But no complaints, and I'm happy with the results. As I said yesterday for the pre-match press conference also. So one of you all have asked me what you are expecting. I said coffee was the thing what the doctor ordered. So you have seen his quality, and a little bit of luck could have been the other way, and for his injury also, the mobility was also not there, being stuck, and hats off to him as a professional continuing despite the injury.
What injury?
He had some slight knock on the thigh
While training?
while playing only.
Okay.
First time now I see. I listened before because I know some player from my country played here before. I don't know good league. Now I come in, I see. I think have something here. This league very good. Yeah, I don't know before this league will exist. Have now I must take good experience about for this league for next future, for next game, for all the team.
Yeah, we missed two vital points. But as you see, we tried, everybody tried, they worked very hard, sometimes happened. But we have to rectify all the mistakes.
So, what you felt about the Churchill team? You new player.
Churchill only one advantage they have recovery was good for them. 2 weeks, not 2 weeks or
19.
yeah, 19, not 2 weeks, no more than 2 weeks we have got, and we are continuous playing. So this is a disadvantage they have.
Or your team? I mean, what do you feel about your team coming here? Did you think they have a?
I think everything was good. Only player who was who come inside, they must give their best. This is one thing I think we must to be good all the time. Now, when any player changes, who go inside, he must give. They are giving 100%. Should be effective.
आता पळोवया गोंयच्या सरभोंवतणीच्यो कांय खबरो।
विज्ञान परिशद गोवा 16 ते 19 जानेरा मेरेन इंडिया सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल करपाचे आसात। ताची तयारी म्हूण आयोजक शाळांनी भुरग्यां खातीर कार्यशाळा घेतात।
So to promote Science Film Festival of India, we thought like let's as a precursor we'll have a pre-activity wherein we go to length and breadth of Goa, taking a scientist and a film. Scientist focuses on his research. The film is associated with the research which he carries out. And as we all know, films has been a better media of understanding. Last 2 years, we have been carrying out this activity, pre-fest activity, wherein in the first year we covered 68 schools, 8,000 students were part of it. Last year we covered 69 schools, around 10,000 students were part of this function, of this activity. And now this is our 89th school. And approximately we have covered around 20,000 students. Our target is 102 schools, and we will be concluding this activity with our main festival, that is Science Film Festival of India 2018, which will be organized from 16th of Jan till 19th of Jan. This time we will be showcasing 8 films. There will be around 6 workshops which will run parallel to these films. Students from standard 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, graduation, as well as it is open for public. This time the total number of people who will be participating in this function is 5,000. I think this is a unique opportunity for Goans, to interact with the scientists, renowned scientists from all over India. And we also will be showing 8 good featured films. So I think we should not lose this opportunity. Take advantage of this opportunity and participate in large numbers. Thank you.
कला अकादमीच्या दर्या संगमार 12 जानेरा सावन 19वा लोकोत्सव सुरू जाता।
ह्या लोकोत्सवाक जवळ 550 ते 600 आर्टिस्ट, परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट भाग घेतले। ह्या लोकोत्सवाक जवळ 600 ते 700 आमचे स्टॉल्स आसतले, तातूंत भितर 300 क्राफ्ट्स, 300 क्राफ्ट्स, मागीर 50 अशे इटेबल्स म्हणजे सर्वड फूड अशें 200 तातूंतले स्टॉल्स जे आसतले ते आउटस्टेशन्स आसतले, बाकी सगळे आमचे गोंयकारांचे स्टॉल्स आसतले.
बाणस्तारी हायटेक मार्केट जातले म्हूण मंत्री गावडे उलयलो.
येता त्या 10 तारखेक आनी एक 15-20 कोटीचे प्रपोजल आमकां धाड म्हणून सांगिल्ले आसात आनी त्या संदर्भात एकंदरीत एक 25 to 30 crores प्रोविजन ह्या वर्साक बिफोर मार्च एंडिंग तो आमी ग्रॅप करपाचो हें आसा. ऑलरेडी 20 crores आय एम सक्सेसफूल ऑफ गेटिंग द 20 crores अंडर ट्रायबल टोटल रिनोवेशन. हायटेक मार्केट विल बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन द बाणस्तारी, अ युनिक मार्केट इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा.
काणकोणा मल्लिकार्जुन देवस्थानाक नवा उत्सव रथ हाडला.
श्री मल्लिकार्जुन देवस्थान काणकोण. मल्लिकार्जुन हो काणकोणचो अधिपती. एक गोंयच्या काही जागृत देवस्थानापैकी एक देवूळ आमचे. शतकान परंपरा चल्ली रथसप्तमीची. त्या रथसप्तमीक आज एक उत्सव रथाची भर पडटा. सबंद महाजनाची, भक्तगणांच्या आर्थीक अनेक बाकीच्या कार्यान फाटबळान आज देवाचो रथ हांगा आज पावल्लो आसा. ह्या रथाक अंदाजे 20 लाख रुपया खर्च जाल्लो आसा, प्लस GST आसा. त्या शिवाय रथाची हायट ही 20 फूट आसा. गेल्ल्या रथसप्तमी उत्सवाक आमी विजयरथाची भाविकांनी आनी महाजनांनी संकल्प केल्लो. विजयरथय पावल्लो आसा. ह्या 5 दिसां खातीर आमचे 5 रथ पूर्ण जाल्ले आसात.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
ह्या बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. खबर तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटा. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.